Good Lord, man, you don't need to take an MSF course. Just come to my neighborhood and go down this alley. If you could survive this, you could survive anything. So look at that damn hole.
That's what she said.
Oh man, this weather. This is the weather I've been praying for like the last 4 months. 4 months plus. Riding to work and it's already close to 60 degrees. It's kind of muggy this morning too, but you know what? I am not going to freaking complain because I'm riding today. I know there's lots of you that are still dealing with winter. You got snow coming and stuff, and I know how that is. I know some of you guys got it worse than we did, but man, I hope you're all riding soon. Alright everybody, so welcome back to the channel once again. D-Cycle here on a morning commute edition of D-Cycle Motovlogs. And usually I'm not very chipper on a Monday morning, but I woke up and I saw this. I'm getting excited because we're almost there. Another 100 subscribers and we hit 1,000. And you know, I've been doing this, I guess you could say, a long time. February of last year, so that's around 14 months. 14 months, it's been a long, hard learning experience, but also a long, hard road too. You know, here I was thinking that getting to 1,000 subscribers was going to be a lot easier than it really was, and man, it was such a grind. And I'm not there yet. I know I still got 100 subs that I need to get yet, but since the end of January, the growth on this channel has been tremendous, and I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much. And this year, the channel's just, it's gonna get better, I promise. I know things were kind of slow, especially when I started out, all the way until probably about August of last year. You know, my views per video, I was getting less than 100 views a video, and I didn't think my content was total crap. I mean, I know I could have done things a lot better, but like I said before, this is a learning experience. But it just left me scratching my head because there were so many other people getting 1,000 subscribers within like 3 or 4 months, and I'm like, my God, I'm pushing out 2 videos a week. I'm consistent. I'm trying to make up good topics, but man, it's just not happening for me. And there was a time there when I was going to give up because, man, this just isn't worth my time if I'm not going to have an audience to watch my videos. I mean, yeah, I make these videos, they are for fun, but they're also for you guys. I mean, since 900 subscribers, I mean, it's not a lot to brag about, but at least it's an audience now. And I want to make sure I make content that you guys like. But I mean, yeah, when I hit 1,000 subscribers or so, I mean, of course, I'm going to monetize my channel. I've worked very hard to get to this point, and getting to 1,000 subscribers is going to be awesome. And hopefully once we hit that hump, you know, the channel will open up to more audiences. Maybe the YouTube algorithm will say, okay, we'll send you out there a little more and see what you could do, and hopefully it's receptive. So I know it's kind of cliche, a lot of people are doing it, but I do want to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway because I am so thankful for what you guys have done for the channel. Subscribing, commenting, whether it's good or bad, buying a t-shirt from me if you have, and I just want to give a little thank you package to a random selected winner that we'll do after we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And I do have some cool items I have in mind for it. It probably won't be anything real huge, but you know, just a token of my appreciation. But yeah, guys, we're almost there. I can't believe it. The channel's really starting to pick up in growth, and it's amazing. So this weather's starting to get a little consistent. It's going to start going down a little bit by the weekend. It's supposed to be back down in the 50s. Like today is supposed to be 74, and that is absolutely perfect riding weather in Illinois. Because it's going to be a little cloudy this morning, and then the sun's going to come out in the afternoon. I mean, I'm comfortable right now. It's about 56, 57 degrees. I've got my riding hoodie on, and I could do this all day, and it's just going to get warmer. But since this consistent warm weather has come around, finally, you're going to be seeing a lot more motovlogs. I'm not really gonna be doing any more wrenching on the bike. I'm saving up for going full stage 1 on this bike, which I'm pretty close to having all the money together for an air cleaner, but I need to start saving for a tune because that's going to be the expensive part. Because I want Harley to do it so I don't void my warranty. And for what it sounds like, it's not going to be cheap. I mean, we're probably talking $500-600. I mean, yeah, I could do the FP3 and all that, but I don't want to void my warranty. The bike isn't even a year old yet. It comes with a 2-year warranty when you buy a new motorcycle, so I want to make sure I still have that. You know, come the 2-year mark. And also, if you guys missed the live stream Friday evening, it was me, Beach Biker, and Great Egret having a Google Hangouts live stream on YouTube. Go over to Great Egret's channel right now and watch that. There's a lot of new developments for Midwest Moto Meet-Up that are included in the discussion of that video. And I had a blast chatting with those two guys. We could have probably chatted all day. And what's really cool is, if you guys know who Beach Biker is, he's from Florida. He's actually flying out here, and he's going to rent a motorcycle for a day, and he's going to come take part in the Midwest Moto Meet-Up. I mean, I'm shocked. I can't believe that. So I kind of feel like I owe him one. Like I need to take a trip out to Florida sometime and go ride up in his neighborhood in the neck of the woods. It'd be awesome right on the beach. God, man, I wish I could just skip work and go riding today. I really, really want to, but I'm not going to. Way too busy at work to just take a leisurely day off. I got vacation coming soon, going to Mexico, so I'll have plenty of time to relax in about a month. Well, you guys, that's all I got for this video. Thank you so much again. I hope we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark soon. You guys have been great. Loving the channel growth. You guys be kind, take it sleazy, and I'll see you in the next video. And this guy is supposed to stop for me. Yeah, talking to you, Cole.